What is the average cost range for a reliable pallet scale? A good quality pallet scale that is 4x4 with 5,000 pound capacity can cost anywhere from $900 to $2,800. That's a wide range, but it often depends on who manufactures the weight indicator and who manufactures the scale platform. If you're using a pallet scale to weigh an occasional pallet, then a $900 pallet scale might work just fine for your needs. For example, if we at CCS were shopping for a pallet scale, we would likely purchase one of these scales. The reason we would purchase this scale is the fact that we don't ship very many LTL shipments from our location, and a basic pallet scale should work fine. However, if you're weighing heavy pallets all day long that are over half the scale capacity, then you would likely be better off purchasing one of the more expensive pallet scales. The more expensive pallet scales are built tougher and are anywhere from 40 to 80 pounds heavier than the lightweight imported pallet scales. That typically means these scales offer a thicker top deck plate and better construction and bracing in the scale platform itself. For more pallet scale information and recommendations, be sure to visit centralcarolinascale.com.